Hey everyone, this is Josh with SKAA, and in this video I'm going to show you two methods to set up a wireless sound system or a wireless PA system using the Electrotec Stage One speakers, the Electrotec XB Subwoofer, and the Dani SKAA Pro transmitter from Dillinger Labs. Dani can accept any 1/4-inch balanced TRS or unbalanced TS plug, so you can hook up any pro audio device, including your mixer or your DJ decks. Once you have Dani hooked up to your device and powered on, you can tap the power button 1 time to check your battery life, and you can tap the power button 3 times to switch between SKAA mode, shown in green, and SKAA Pro mode, shown in red. In SKAA mode, you can bond up to 4 Stage Ones or other SKAA receivers to Dani at 36 milliseconds of fixed latency. And if you need ultra-low latency, you can put it in SKAA Pro mode, and this drops the latency down to 19 milliseconds. However, this also reduces the number of receivers down to 2. Right now, we're going to work in SKAA mode, so I'll tap 3 times and look for a green LED. Okay, so on the back of Stage One, we're just going to power this on, and there are 4 modes that Stage One can operate in. Right now, we're in Bluetooth mode, so I'll tap the power button. Now we're in aux mode, tap it again. Now we're in monitor mode, and tap 1 more time to be in SKAA mode. This is the mode you're going to use when you're bonding to a SKAA transmitter. Once you power on Stage One, it should automatically bond to your Dani transmitter, and you'll know you're bonded if you see a bright amber LED next to the bond button. If for some reason you see a dim amber LED or a dim green LED, or you're just not hearing audio play through the speaker, you can double-click the bond button, and this will explore for a new SKAA transmitter, and once bonded, you'll see that bright amber LED. We also recommend holding down the bond button for a few seconds to green list that transmitter so it remembers it for later. And then just repeat the process on any additional Stage Ones you have. So I'll go ahead and power on this second Stage One. This one's already in SKAA mode, so it should automatically bond to the Dani transmitter, and I can go ahead and green list the transmitter on this Stage One as well. If you're using 1 or more XB subwoofers, you can just power these on as well. Make sure that they are in SKAA mode, and they will also bond to the Dani transmitter, and we can green list our sub as well. So now both Stage Ones, along with my XB sub, are all bonded to my Dani transmitter, and I still have room for 1 more receiver, so I could add in another XB sub if I wanted. So now I can control the volume of the entire system from my mixer or DJ decks. You'll get a 50-meter range when you use Dani and Stage One together using the stock 2 dBi antenna. And if you need even more range, you can upgrade to our +5 dBi antenna, which is shown here, for up to 80 meters of reliable range. So for this next setup, we're going to tap into SKAA Pro mode. This is great for musical performance because it drops the latency down to 19 milliseconds. So for this setup, I'm going to put the XB sub in XLR TRS mode, which will allow us to take a line-in signal from one of our Stage Ones. So with a short XLR cable, we can connect the output of the top Stage One. Let's set that output to mono, and we're going to plug that into the line input on the XB subwoofer. Then switch Dani over to SKAA Pro mode, and you'll see the power LED changes to red, showing that the speaker is now bonded to a SKAA Pro transmitter. So now the top 2 Stage One speakers are being fed wirelessly with Dani, and the XB subwoofer is being fed by the top Stage One speaker with an XLR cable. And if you're running 2 XB subs with 2 Stage Ones on speaker poles, this allows you to feed the top speakers wirelessly with Dani in SKAA Pro mode while chaining the subs from the tops. Or if 36 milliseconds of latency in SKAA mode isn't a big deal for your setup, you can feed all 4 receivers completely wirelessly. For live sound setups, we also recommend turning off Dani's power save feature by tapping the power button 6 times. You'll see the power LED blinking to confirm. To learn more, head over to skaastore.com or electrotechaudio.com.